we need full self-determination. Or am I to say no as the Aare Ona Kakanfo? If the Yoruba people said restructuring is too late, Aare, now we need full self-determination as Oduduwa Republic, I will be the last person that will against them, and I will support them. There is no crime for you to say you need a new nation within a nation. The Southern Cameroon is living based on what the United Nations said. In July 10, they are moving out of Cameroon. Sudan, we have the Southern Sudan move out of the Sudan. Eritrea moved out of Ethiopia. The Indian, Bangladesh, and Pakistan moved from India. We have different nations that have split it and become their own sovereignty based on disagreement on the way of living together. And when you listen to Chief Obafemi Awolowo in 1947, he said Nigeria is not a nation, it's just mere geographical expression. And when you listen to, even Tafawa Balewa did not even believe in the unity of, Ahmadu Bello did not believe in the unity of Nigeria from beginning until when they have the power in their palm. But notwithstanding, I believe that with restructuring, we may not witness war. We may solve our problem at least 60%, not 100%. So that in the process, maybe we can solve the remaining 40%. So my agitation still continue on restructuring. But we have been hearing about different groups said they want Oduduwa Republic. By the time we gauge the acceptance of the Yoruba people, we realize that majority of the Yoruba people want Oduduwa Republic. I will not against it. I will support it, my brother. There is a lot of advantage, even having your nation. Already now we are a second-class citizen within the country.